What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So I'm going to take a look at Gala Games. Sitting at 0.021, down 2.9 on the day. Market cap 696 million, 24 hours 60 million. So we're seeing a little bit of a reaction here, a little bit of a bounce, but as of right now, we faked out to the upside. And we broke this support, so you may just come up to retest. Of course, anything can happen. I am currently in a short trade, but I'm expecting the same thing with BTC. We broke this rising wedge, so we may just be coming up to retest. We roll over, we come down to 52K. If we come all the way up and break these highs, it is what it is. Crypto is crazy and often doesn't respect technical analysis, but as of right now, you've lost support. You saw a small retest right here, and you're coming down, so we may just be coming up to retest this level. If we get rejected, we roll over, we continue down. No reason to get bullish unless these highs are broken at 0.02241. Then you could look at a push to the upside, but as of right now, it looks like price is just rolling over, and we'll come down to these lower price targets, 0.01992, 0.01893. I do think we could even come lower than that. Let me quickly open up my chart here. Bro, what the? Here we go. Yeah, I do think you could come all the way back to this support level, 0.01657. 0.01184. I do think that's a high probability if BTC does end up coming down to 52K to 49K. The only thing that would stop that from happening is for Bitcoin to see a straight breakout from here, and then Gala could hold this support and see continuation back to the upside. But until then, I think there's a decent chance we come down to these support levels. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, not only for crypto, but as well as Forex, all you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. Make your first deposit, send me email. I'll give you completely free access to my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups. Here's our Gala short trade. We did get stopped out on ADA earlier in the week. But if we hit these TPs, it's like over 100% gain, so we'll be fine on that. And of course, I gave signals for Forex this week. We're up about 10% on the account. We did take a couple losses, but luckily we had some big wins. So yeah, you can get completely free access for my crypto and Forex signals with the sign up and deposit to BITUNIX. All links down below. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.